It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, I'm back with the Blackout Tundra. We got all the parts back on and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna give you guys a view real quick of the door handles, mirrors, grill. Grill was the biggest thing because that's really what sets it off. So let's take a look at it real quick. So we repainted the front bumper, got the grill all blacked out, everything blacked out. We will get to the running boards, probably get those done pretty soon, but we got the mirrors and the handles all blacked out there. Next on the list, we don't know if we're going to go aftermarket or just paint the chrome on this back part. We're still not sure about that, but we got all the rest of it together. If you guys have any questions or how to do it or what should you do, please hit me up, send me a message, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will get back to you.